Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best car trash can on Amazon. Due to the myriad things we do with our cars, we collect a fair amount of litter that often finds its way stuffed in a cup holder, glove compartment, or center console. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Udo Cup Holder Trash Can. The addition of a trash can to a car interior can be off-putting to some drivers simply because it can be an eyesore, no matter the caliber of the car. While some products try to be as simple and unobtrusive as possible, the trash can embraces that it's going to be on center stage and adds a bit of pizzazz to things. Beyond the multifaceted hexagonal design, the trash bin functions as a plastic bin with a push-down lid for dry trash. It fits in most cup holders and or pockets, and the entire cap is removable for easy cleaning. There are multiple color options available to find one that fits your taste or buy one of each and go seasonal. What we like about it: stylish and colorful. Springy, push-down lid. Fits most cup holders. What we don't like about it: smaller than most offerings. Lid known to come loose. Number 2. NJNJ Waterproof Trash Can. The NJNJ car trash bin is a hefty solution for heavy-duty messes. Bigger than most of our other picks, the NJNJ is therefore ideal for family cars or anyone who travels with large groups. Its waterproof inner lining keeps moisture in and off of car surfaces but can still easily accommodate a disposable bag. There are loads of pockets to be found on the front and sides to hold all sorts of cargo, such as umbrellas, wipes, and more. Several mounting solutions can secure it to the backs of seats, on the floor or wherever it can be handily tucked away. It comes in neutral colors like black and gray, but also has a few quirky patterns available. What we like about it: large capacity. Waterproof lining. Storage pockets. What we don't like about it: can be too large for some cars. Weak Velcro. Could be sturdier. Number 3. Farsala All-in-One Trash Can. The Farsala All-in-One Trash Can is a very cleverly put-together garbage control solution. The 1.8-gallon bin is a substantial amount of collection capacity that doesn't take up too much real estate in your cabin, and its dual leak-proof liners tick our waterproofing box. We also are keen on the fact that they are removable, washable and reusable, foregoing the need to constantly refill it with new bags that are wasteful and cost money. It's easy to mount thanks to its adjustable straps and has extra hooks for disposable trash bags if your immediate trash needs exceed what the main compartment can handle. What we like about it: all-in-one solution. Handy tissue dispenser. Washable, reusable liners. What we don't like about it: no additional color options. Lid may not seal completely. Stiff rubber vent. Number 4. Garbage Can Premium Car Trash Can. For those looking for a trash collection solution that's more akin to what they're used to in the home or office, the aptly named Garbage Can might be the pick for you. While it looks like a standard under-the-desk waste bin, there are a few innovations at work to make it a compatible part of your ride. Most notable are the floor mat clips that anchor the bin by the weight of a mat or in between seat cushions. It's a neat flush design for those who don't like the sight of straps or hanging trash at passenger eye level. A band rings around the outside to secure a disposable trash bag, extras of which can be stored in a hidden compartment. What we like about it: simple and sleek. Wide open top. Won't wobble or slide when secured. What we don't like about it: no lid. Incompatible with WeatherTech floor mats. A bit pricey for what's included. Number 5. BMZX Car Trash Can. Let's be honest. The majority of the litter in your car ends up either in the cup holder or stuffed in a door's storage pocket. This is why we like the BMZX Cup Holder Trash Can. This 15-ounce bin can hold most small bits of litter like wrappers or napkins, which is the kind of stuff that cup holders are a magnet for. And the solid silicone cup is sturdy and can fit in just about any standard cup-sized opening your car may have. What we like about it: fits in most cup holders. Rugged material. Easy to clean. What we don't like about it: can be a bit small. Mainly for dry trash. Lid has no fastener. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.